This is real life. Oh, what are you wearing, girl? Everything? Hello, beautiful besties. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much, and welcome back, besties. Today, you guys, I don't know, we have a video, okay? I am sharing some of everything with you, from skincare, body care, my fragrance combo of the day that I cannot stop reaching for, okay? Pick somebody else, I'm gonna still reach for it. Home fragrances, you name it, we are talking about it in this video. If you wanna see more, please continue to watch. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, all things fancy and fabulous dwelling. So if that sounds like something you'd be into or you want to be a part of, stop what you're doing. First and foremost, drop me your scent of the day. I want to know what you're rocking today. I can't wait to share with you my fragrance combo. Also, if this seems like your vibe or your zhush, go ahead and consider hitting the subscribe button, but don't stop there. Tap the notification bell. It's gonna alert you every single time there's a new video on this channel. Take it a step further, come over, slide in the DM, and say hi on Instagram. We are jumping into this video right now. Hey, besties! Okay, my gosh. You guys, okay, let's start with my fragrance combo. I don't know when you're gonna see this video, but you guys, I've been spraying this combo like crazy and I can't get enough of it, okay? I am mixing these two together. Loewe, this is 001 Woman, and this is Valencia by Perfumes de Mali. Don't ask me why. I have been reaching for these. This has been my combo for the past, let's see, it's been a long weekend. I've been wearing this ever since the Beyonce concert. And with the Beyonce concert, I mixed it with Fenty. A match made in heaven. I'm just telling you, a match made in heaven. So how I know you guys are gonna ask, which one do you spray first? I don't know if it really matters. I went on with Valencia first because it's heavier, so I put this down as the base after the body cream. And let me just say this too. Speaking of the body cream, I use this for the body cream for today. This is the new one by Fenty. It's luxurious, it's thick, it's whipped. It gives a nice subtle shine, sheen, whatever you wanna say. It's not greasy. I absolutely love it. It is fragrant. So if you're thinking about picking it up, it's gonna be linked in the description box below. I highly recommend it. If you like Fenty Butter Drop, you're gonna love this. It's scented. It does smell just like Fenty, so I want to say that as well. Let's start with Benigna. Now, if I'm saying that name wrong, you guys forgive me. I am trying. I told you guys on Instagram, if you've been here before, they sent over this beautiful fragrance, okay? It sits in a closet. This is luxury in a bottle here. This one is called Splendeur Grandeur Zoline, and I told you that it's perfect for right now. It's perfect for like spring, summer, early fall. It's really nice. I told you inside of it. I know, because you guys, I said this already, but I didn't bring it over to YouTube. It was only spilled on the gram. So now I'm bringing it over to you. The atomizer, oh God, this is good. Maybe I'm wearing this today. I hadn't planned on it. That was my combo already. That's why I can't do videos. Oh God. And the clothes that I'm really wearing for the day. Now I don't know what the combo is that I'm wearing. What are you wearing, girl? Everything? No, but this is so good, you guys. So this has citrus notes in it. It has neroli, orange oil, jasmine, musk, amber, agarwood, which is like another form of like oud, another name for oud, I should say. It's a unisex fragrance. It's so good. It's clean, it's inviting, but it's not a fresh clean. It's definitely got some sexiness going on to it. Like I said, it's got cedar, it's got amber, it's got jasmine, musk, but the neroli and the freshness that you get is in the beginning, but as you leave it on the body and it dries down, is doing some things. It's really good. Benigna, thank you so much for sending this over. I really, really love this fragrance. It's really good, but I gotta be honest with you, it's not my favorite, but I do have a favorite, and their packaging is beautiful. You guys, I had to remove all the packaging. Okay, if you wanna receive luxury packaging to your doorstep from a niche fragrance house, this is how you do it. Let me just show you this. I removed it from its packaging. I know the lights are bright. This is a whole discovery set, because I told them, I'm like, I don't know your fragrances, so I wouldn't know what to choose. So I said, do you have a discovery set? You guys, this is what, do you see this? The camera's not doing it justice. They all have a bed, and this is the discovery set that they're sitting down inside of. Absolutely gorgeous. I played with them. I won't go through all of them, but I'll tell you, there was Supreme Majesty, there was, that was a favorite. Greatness was a favorite. Worthy was, oh my gosh. Royal Bouquet, okay, I had a lot of favorites, okay? I had a lot of, if you like a heavy hitter, something sexy, something sensual, something perfect for fall, winter, and the holiday season coming up, you need to get your nose on these. You need it in something that lasts, that projects, that's gonna be with you through the duration of time. Longevity is in your forefront with a fragrance. This is the way to go. Supreme Majesty. Oh my God, that's good. It smells like money. These smell like money in a bottle. This is what this one looks like here. So this is what the little bottles look like, just so you can play with them. You know that I'm a fan of try before you buy. I can't stand all of them, you guys. We'll be here all day. Extravagant. Yes, because that was the name. Extravagant. This is it. Or was it? Oh my gosh, they're also, was it greatness? I don't know. Ooh, oh, they all smell like money. Like rich money, like your pockets run deep. Not just deep, not shallow. Deep, deep. I'm gonna say it twice. You know, when we say things twice, it's really emphasized that the pockets run deep. These are all luxurious, you guys. I can't pick a favorite. I know that it might be, hold on, oh, just one more, hold on. Or is it worthy? It might be worthy, you guys. Hold on. Oh, worthiness. Is it worthiness? You know what this is giving me reminiscence of? Worthiness smells a little bit like Maison Francis, Kirk de Jean, Grand Sword Dwelling. Oh my gosh, it's good. Ooh, it's good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so okay, I don't know if it's that one. I really don't know. I don't know. They're also good, okay? Just get your nose on them. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. I do have a discount code if you happen to order it, you guys. It comes with a nice booklet giving you all the notes, the breakdowns of everything like that. This is a Royal Essence collection, or was it Ancient Wisdom? I played with these a long time ago, you guys, and I have been meaning to do this video. I just had so many other videos that I had to get out and get done. And so now I'm like, which one was it? I can't even recall, but they're all good. I have not been disappointed. If you are looking for a luxury fragrance house, I would definitely say check out Benigna. Okay, and hopefully I am saying that right. The packaging alone is absolutely everything. I do have a discount code. I will link it. Benigna. Thank you. My desk is a mess. I have everything up here. Now, if you're like me, it doesn't stop at my house. I don't want just my body. I don't just want me to smell good from my door till you get in the house, my boudoir, my bedroom. I need everything to smell good. This is a brand called Lilior, and it is a Paris brand. They sent this over for recommendation. One of the besties to the channel told them that, you know, that I do fragrance, and so they sent this over for my review, and I love it. This is how it looks, you guys. I brought the whole thing over because I had to show you, okay? This is real time. This is no time for aesthetics. This is real life. So this is how it comes. This is how your diffuser will come. They have several different colors. I think they had rose gold, they had black, they had silver. I believe those are the ones that I've seen. This is the diffuser here. It opens up. Can you see that? Am I in the camera? Okay, good. It opens up like this here. This comes out inside of here. This twists off just like that. This is a whole thing, okay? This is for real, for real. And I know that you see so many of the other brands that do this as well. This one is legit. I love the fragrances that they have. They have so many, but the thing about it is this won't break the bank. These won't break the bank. So it does come off like this. You'll go ahead and you'll put this back in and twist it on. Now, when they reached out to me, they asked me, which one do you want to smell? Well, the thing that I loved most about it is, you know that I love to travel and you know that I love hotels. So they had different hotels. This is my real true experience. I said they have one called Santal 33. You know I love Le Labo Santal 33, so I was like, can you send that over? It's leather, it's spice, it's musk. This is Santal 33, and this is a fragrance oil here. So this is what it looks like. You can see it there. You open it up and take the lid off like this. It sits down inside. You'll go ahead and remove your packaging from there. This is how much I've used, okay? She is heavy on it. I'm heavy on it. I love it. I put it here in the beauty room and I absolutely love it. You go ahead and lift this off like this. It's very secure. And what you would do, let me just demonstrate the whole thing, okay? Let's just demonstrate the whole thing. Lilior, thank you for sending this over. And if I'm not saying the name right, please forgive me. So you'll take this off like this. You guys, I already have some in there, but let's just put in a little more. Do you love these videos? They feel like they're so like real life, right? Like we're there together doing it. So you pour some in like that and put it here. So then you'll put it on here like this, and then you put it like that, and then it's here. Now on here you have a few different things. You have your intensity. You can do 60% intensity, 180, or you can go all the way up and do it at 300. It also has a timer. How long do you want it to go for? 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours? I always put it on 8 hours. I push this button here and it's on. Now I don't know if you're able to see it. It's just, you know, coming out like this, you know, like that. It's not loud. That's about the length of it. And then here it lights up. So when it's on, it turns blue, and when it's off, it turns red. So this is how you'll know it's on. It automatically comes on for 180 in 4 hours. I don't know if I set mine that way, if that's just what it comes on to, but that's what it's on for. This is the loudness of it, or the noise level, I should say. Not too shabby. You guys, I have been filming in here before, and it has come on. It'll come on, it'll go off, it'll come on and go off. It'll just keep the room smelling so good and so fresh. And let me just say this, it truly is fragranted. I will have everything linked in the description box below, as well as the discount code. Also, allow me to say this, they do have a discovery set. This is their discovery set here. It has a few different ones inside. Make sure you check out their website for all of their different fragrances that they do carry and their different scents that they carry, because they have quite a few. This is what this looks like here. So should I want to check out any more and try any more to decide which one I want to try next, I have all of these to sample and choose from. This is a great way to keep your home smelling good. They have them in different sizes too. I think you can get larger ones or smaller ones. I think they have ones for your car. You guys, I could be making all this up, but I think I'm telling the truth, but I don't know, so check the description box for accuracy. But they have so many different ones, and the things that I'm most impressed about is that it doesn't break the bank, and they're really fragrant, and they really smell. This really does smell like Santal 33. Like when I walked in my room, I was like, okay, this is giving. This is totally giving. I do want to get another one for my boudoir and my bedroom. I love for my home to smell good. So if you are in need of some home fragrance, and it looks good, it has a good decor, it's aesthetically pleasing, they come in different colors and sizes, I would definitely say check out Lilior. I move on. All right, now this company is, I believe they are Sick. That's the name of the company, by Sick. It looks like this here. It's liquid silver. This is the name of this fragrance, and they sent this over for my review. Thank you so much for reaching out. They sent over, and I believe these are pheromone fragrances, if I'm not mistaken, you guys. This is how this one looks here. This is how the packaging looks. It comes in a box packaging. It has the notes there that makes it really easy. This is the one I'm guess they're stating is for men. This one here is sexy. I will say that. I will say this one is sexy. I played with this. I sprayed these when I first got them, and I was like, okay, this one is really nice. It's fresh, it's clean, it's kind of aquatic-y, I would say. What are the notes? Pineapple, apple, juniper berry, bergamot, jasmine. Yes, it's giving all those vibes. Patchouli, musk, ambergris, and vanilla, and molecules 01. This is nice. If I smelled this on a guy, I would be like, okay, he smells good. You know what I mean? It smells good. Definitely, I would say it's worth a whiff. I do not know if they have samples. If they give me a discount code, I'll have that linked in the description box below as well. Thank you so much to the team over at Sick for sending this over, and hopefully I'm saying the name right. I like what is it called? Like their logo? It's kind of different. This is what it looks like. So if you see that, that's them. It's Sick. I like that, and it's one. It's a number one. This came Be Proud, and Body Proud, and I believe this is at Walmart. I've never used this before, but it looks like it's a body cleanser. Be proud of your body, wash your skin. Of course, we love that. So this is like the body care, and it looks like it's a body cleanser, refreshing, exfoliates. It has caffeine in it, PHA. Let me see how it smells. That's what I want to know. Oh, it's light. Oh, it's nice. It smells soapy, fresh and clean. That's exactly what they were stating. So it came with this. This is nice. Thank you so much for sending this over. I truly appreciate it. And then we also received this, which you guys, I didn't take any of this out. This is Serve the Body, and oh, this is a glow. Is this a body oil? Okay. This is a glow boosting with vitamin C and almond oil. Oh, I love to glow. You know she loves to glow. Let's see what it's giving. Let's see what it's giving. I've never sprayed it. Oh, wow. That's giving a lot of glow. Is it oh, it's a dry oil, it looks like. Did you guys see that? I like glowing. I love this, even though, oh, it's nice. It's not too scented at all. It smells like almond oil. Really nice, very pleasant. It smells like almond oil. Even though shoulder season is over, excuse you, I'm still gonna have them out though, especially if I'm in the house. But yeah, I really like this. Okay, thank you for sending that over. This is the Body Proud Serve the Glow dry. Oh, I said it was a dry body oil. You can definitely see it's a dry body oil. It wasn't greasy or anything like that. Really like this. It's citrus and tonka. Very nice. It feels, oh, it feels like a dry body oil. It feels smooth. It feels soft, lightly scented. Okay. And this is a body moisturizer, hydrates, brightens, and energizes. And this also has niacinamide in it as well as caffeine. Okay, I'm using this. And it has, oh, it's thick. Oh, shoot, did you see that? Okay. It's thick. It's definitely thick. It's nice. Oh my God, and now that I make, girl, you are making a mess today. This is real life, okay? This is real life. I had to get it out and share it with the besties. Oh, that smells like, you guys, this is scented really nicely. Thank you so much for sending this over after I just completely sat here and made a mess. This can be found available online and it's available at Walmart. Very nice. I don't know how they found me, but thank you. I appreciate it. Be you, be body proud. Oh, and they are encouraging us to be body proud. You know I'm all about that on this channel. That is it, you guys. I just wanted to go through and start unboxing some of this stuff with you. I have some other videos that I'm getting ready to do as well. I didn't want this one to be extremely long. You know I do not like long videos, so I'm gonna break it up, but I have a ton of more fragrances to share with you that I will be coming back, so make sure your post notification bells are turned on. You wanna make sure they're turned on so you never miss a video. I'm always trying to share with you a discount code, some sales, what dates are happening. You don't wanna miss it. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, stop what you're doing, come over, slide in the DM and say hi, and I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darling. Thank you to everyone who sent over such amazing PR. I truly appreciate you. Until next time, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye.